Okay guys, so ito yung kailangan lang natin para sa avocado seed na gagawin is that yung pang grate, tapos of course yung avocado seed, and then our oil, and 2 empty bottles, whatever that you can use para mas madali mo siyang mailagay. And of course, so yan lang, either ano pa pala, pang spray or anything, it's up to you guys. So tara na, mag-grate na tayo ng ating avocado. And by the way, magbabago pala ang kulay niyan pag i-grate na natin siya. Kaya ayan. So ayan guys, yung nag-grate na natin. So we're ready to put everything sa sa bote. So it's up to you guys kung gaano karami ninyo gustong ilagay sa bote na paglalagyan natin. So yan, ganyan lang gawin ninyo, just like what I did. So nilagay ko lang sa loob yung kasi at kahit papaano ready na siya pag nilagyan natin ng Oh, by the way, kailangan pala natin ng konting alcohol. Nakalimutan ko lang ipakita sa inyo. But anyway, yeah, ganyan lang. I-pour lang ninyo. And then after that, lagyan ng konting oil. Tapos, actually, alcohol muna and then oil. Ganun lang siya. Tapos, we have to wait at least a week before nating magamit pag oil ang gagamitin. Pero pag ginamitan lang ninyo ng alcohol, it takes only 24 hours at pwede na natin siyang gamitin. So, meron na tayong pang anti-inflammatory. So, yan guys, ganyan lang siya. Nilagyan ko na ng oil. So, minimix-mix ko lang siya just to be sure na maganda ang pagkakaano. So, if you notice yung seeds itself, nag-change na ng color. So, naging orange na siya. So, ito naman, yung paglalagyan ko yung bottles, yung remaining, is yan yung lalagyan ko ng alcohol. So, ayan guys. O, diba? At least may homemade na tayo na pang anti-inflammatory natin. So, let me know guys if you think what is the best, or if you think it works for you, then say it below and let me know. Okay? Thank you. Thanks for watching.